If your Maytag top-load washer won't spin, makes grinding noises, or has trouble shifting between wash and spin, a worn splutch could be the cause. I'm Ed with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to diagnose and replace the splutch assembly, along with what commonly causes it to fail. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's repair, we'll need a 5/16 inch nut driver, a ratchet with a 1/2 inch socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. The splutch connects the drive system to the washer basket and helps the machine shift between agitation and spin. Inside the splutch are gears, a cam ring, spring, and a pulley that work together with the actuator to engage spin mode. There are several things that can cause a splutch to fail. Overloading the washer is one of the most common causes. Heavy or unbalanced loads place extra stress on the splutch gears and cam. A worn drive belt can also cause slipping, which overheats and damages the splutch pulley. Sometimes water leaks from the gear case or the tub seal can contaminate the splutch with oil or moisture, causing the gears to wear prematurely. A failed actuator can also damage the splutch by not shifting it correctly between agitation and spin. Carefully tilt it back against the wall or support it safely. Remove the belt cover if equipped. Then inspect the belt, pulley, and splutch for signs of wear, melted plastic, stripped teeth, or oil contamination. Start by removing the drive belt from the motor and splutch pulley. Next, remove the center bolt securing the splutch assembly to the transmission shaft. Disconnect the shifter wiring harness by depressing the locking tab and pulling the connector straight out. Then use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the mounting screws securing the actuator to the transmission assembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully slide the shifter off the splutch cam. Lower the splutch assembly off the shaft and separate the cam components if needed. Here's the old splutch assembly, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new splutch assembly onto the transmission shaft, making sure that the cam and spring components are seated correctly. Now reinstall the shift actuator. Position it onto the gear case. Then secure it with the 2 Phillips head screws. Reconnect the wire harness. Reinstall the center bolt and tighten it securely. Loop the drive belt back onto the motor pulley and splutch pulley, making sure the belt is aligned properly. Rotate the pulley by hand to confirm smooth movement and proper engagement. Then start a spin cycle to confirm the washer shifts properly and the basket reaches full speed without unusual noises. Great job replacing the splutch on your Maytag top-load washer. With the new part installed, your washer should shift and spin properly again. If you need the replacement part, just grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a couple of days. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for another successful appliance repair.